Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Please click subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the like button if you enjoy this video. It really helps. One viewer asked, how did we survive as Airbnb hosts during the pandemic? I host in Japan, and Japan was totally closed. We did our best. Probably you did too. It's not our main source of income. It's one of them. I mean, it's a good source of income, but it's a side hustle. And I think if you rely on Airbnb totally, it's a bit dangerous. You should probably have it as one of two or one of three different sources of income. So I'm a university professor in Japan, and my wife teaches at a junior high school. So we had those sources of income as well. The government actually gave us some grant money, but not so much. It helped a bit, but it was tough. I mean, it was really tough. But I've always preached, during the down times to paint and clean and fix your units so that you're ready when things are good again. And that's what we did. And we've slowly gotten some Japanese guests. People did travel somewhat during the pandemic, and lately things are getting better and better and better. So that's really good. Yeah, that's kind of all what we did. So, when you find yourself in the middle of some kind of disaster, if possible, try to use the time to fix your units, and that will really help. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.